Hi everyone! For today's Japanese Culture 311 Objects, I wanted to show you this flower vase I brought back from Japan maybe 10 years ago. It is a contemporary piece about 21 centimeters high, weighing hefty 2.5 kilograms. This vase is an example of Bizen yaki or Bizen ware, a type of pottery produced in Okayama Prefecture in western Japan, known as one of the 6 ancient kilns of Japan. The Bizen area has been producing pottery of this type since the 6th century. Like most kilns, this site produces functional pieces for everyday use such as water pots, vases, cups, bowls, and so forth. You can see that the clay of this piece is reddish brown, like burnt sienna. The clay is free of large grits, which is typical of the clay used at Bizen. One side of the vase is mostly covered by dark olive green glaze. This glaze comes from the ash falling on the pot during firing. It is not painted on, and the pattern is entirely accidental. The only decoration that the potter put on is this squiggly line. Like many vases, there's a front and back to this piece. The side of the ash glaze, the side that faced the flame when firing, is the front. The other sides are burnt umber in color and don't have much natural glaze at all. This pot is hand-built, thick-walled, and not thrown on a potter's wheel. The weight gives it a certain presence. If you look at the shape, you can see it is basically trapezoidal. The shape is a bit unusual because cylindrical cone and sphere shapes are more common for vases. Now, many pieces in this style look misshapen or unfinished, but this vase is said to embody a traditional Japanese aesthetic sensibility that many Japanese people treasure, such as irregularity, spontaneity, understatement. They also use adjectives such as natural, uncontrived, irregular, simple, rustic, and unadorned to describe a vase like this one. An object like this is regarded as both a functional vase and a work of art. This traditional sensibility, cultivated by potters and tea masters alike, is part of Japanese aesthetics, which has recently become more and more central to Japanese cultural identity. Thank you for watching. See you again at the next installation of Japanese Culture 311 Objects.